essanyu lingi bwe weesiga amakubo ge onosanyuka ddala atambula ne mukama we.
Thank you. n'amugamba nti mukama waffe tulabe kitaffe kale kinaatumala. Ekitundu ekyokubiri komya.
Lord, show us the Father, and we will be satisfied. Jesus said to him, have I been with you all this time, Philip, and you still do not know me? Whoever has seen me has seen the Father. How can you say, show us the Father? Do you not believe that I am in the Father and the Father is in me? This is the end of the second reading.
Ekiseera kino kwebaza nnyo olw'okutuleeta mu yeekaalu entukuvu okusinza era n'okutendereza okusinga ennyo mu ngeri eno ey'enjawulo ey'okusinza n'okutendereza mu Luganda era mu Bungereza. Tukwebaza kubanga osobodde okusobozesa omukolo guno okubeerawo.
First of all, greetings today on this inauguration service for Ekkanisa Luganda from the Bishop of Southwark and the Bishop of Croydon, and I do know that the Archbishop of York, Archbishop Sentamu, has sent his greetings as well. Today is the feast of Pentecost, when we recall the gift of God's Holy Spirit to the apostles, as Jesus promised. Their gift was our gift too. Today has always been kept as the birthday of the Christian Church. So happy birthday to everybody. I was happy, therefore, when Nathan and the leaders of this congregation were so insistent that this congregation should be regarded as a full part of the life of the Church of England and not set apart from it. Because the Church of England is not a whites-only club. I hope that we have grown up a bit and have learnt the painful lessons of the past.
The Archdeacon will be speaking in Luganda and then will be speaking in English. So here we go. The Bishop, the Archdeacons are going to lead us in the blessing. So the Archdeacon Tony is in Uganda. Somebody
And let me give the number.
Peace of the Lord be with you. Let us share peace with one another. The sign of peace with one another. have any question, please, these are the people to approach pertaining this new church Uganda service. God bless you.
Era nga kino kyekituuseeko okusinga ennyo tukyebaliza nnyo Katonda nti okuyaayaana okungi okubaddewo ng'Abaganda baagala babeerewo okusinza mu lulimi lwabwe buli ssabbiiti kaakati kituukiddwako kubanga
Baiti yengera nagamba nti bonna birungi ebyomugaso tukola ebintu bingi birungi netulina okulondamu ebyomugaso abali emagulu twakizuula kyokwongera okumanya kisinga byonna netukola mu nsengo.
Hello, I'm Archdeacon Tony from the Church of England in Southwark, and I just want to wish Nathan and Ntege and the people of the ekiririza y'oLuganda God's blessing in this new venture which has started today. It's our Pentecost feast, which is the birthday of the church, and it's a great day to start a new venture in the Lord. And the idea of having a Ugandan language service is to unite and bring together all the people of Uganda who live in London, and we encourage them to unite around this service and to use it as a great community event and festival.
Kanzi jejo